Okay. Hello everybody. Now in this video we've shown you already the video showing you the power of the processing, but now you say, well, we want to be able to see how we can make changes. So we've given you a mechanism to make quick changes to the data so that you can see exactly how things will respond. So what happens when you want to do that is you press a key here called the F4 key. So let's press that and it pulls up a system like this. Okay, so what we've got here, this is where we're going to make changes. This is where you can make your changes. Now we've given you three options here. Let's just have a look at this one. I'm going to click on B, which is the little one. Okay, and that comes across to here. And these are the changes. I'm going to boost my sales by 800,000. I'm going to downgrade my cost of sales. I'm going to push up my expenses, etc. So I'm going to do all these. These are all done in the normal positive values, okay, but you can see over here on the journal side they switch into journals. Now what we can see, once we punch these ones, you can punch these in yourself or you can pick one of our ones here. Now if we come back to income statement here, we're boosting our profit by just over $1 million. So we go from 431 to 1441, okay, and you'll see this one's from an old processing run. We're going to do this now, so we're going to see exactly how this one works. Okay, now what I can do when I click here, that's the changes, and this is the actual Ark program himself. Okay, now the starting point is you have to press F12 to clear out all the memory that you've got. So you press F12 here, okay, and then what we do is we come back to here, okay, and we go to here, and now we press the F6 key, which will load into the system what you want to see. So you just go F6 and the changes have been loaded. Now we can come back to here, okay, and now we can process the population. Let's go to the income statement, and we're going to see that 1441. All the changes you put through have now been processed. So if I come through to here, you'll see we've got 1441. So now I can make changes any way I want, and I can see that the speed of the processing I'm talking about is exactly what I'm saying. So I'm going to come back and just do another one here, but you can do your own one. So again, let's start with F12. Okay, and now I'm going to come back to here, and I'm going to come back to here, and I'm going to click on this one here. Okay, so now I've got a bit more. Let's go back to the income statement. Now I've boosted it even more. I've got 1.5 million. Okay, so the figure I'm looking for is 1971. Okay, so come back to there right now. Go here. Okay, and click over here now. Okay, population summary, and now I'm going to come down to here, income statement, and no, okay, let's just go F12. Let's just do that again, F12. Okay, right, let's come back to here now. Come back to here. Okay, come back to here. Right, and now we're going to go F6 again. 6. Okay, right. And now I have to come back to here. Right, here we go. And now population summary. And now we're going income statement. Okay, and there you get the 1931. Now we can come back to here and come back to here, come back to here. And now what I can do is I can press F8 to pull down the information from there, and you can see everything balances. Okay, so it's pulled down from what we just processed. So this is how quick and easy. We're showing you the power that you can go make the changes yourself, and you can see now you plugging in numbers, you're going to get your numbers. We can't anticipate what your numbers are going to be and how you're going to do it. So you can actually run this, and this gives you proof again of the speed and power that we actually have. So we think this is quite useful from that point of view. Thanks very much.